When unloading a tank car into the terminal, safety comes first. Every task is deliberate, and every control is verified. A Job Safety Analysis, or JSA, is used at the terminal for rail operations. The JSA identifies hazards, outlines safety procedures, and is reviewed annually or when procedures change. All new hires must review the rail JSA before starting work to ensure each employee understands the risks and follows proper safety practices. Before beginning, make sure you're wearing the required PPE. This includes a hard hat, safety glasses, face shield when necessary, gloves rated for heat and product, flame-resistant clothing, and protective footwear. If you'll be working on top of the car, always use approved fall protection. An H2S monitor must also be worn at all times during unloading. Secure the rail car by applying blue signal protection, setting the handbrakes, and chocking the wheels. Know where spill kits and drip pans are stored, and recognize hoses to eliminate trip hazards. Verify the rail car stencil against your paperwork. Then perform a walk-around inspection. Check the rail springs, shell, fittings, and undercarriage. Look for any product leaks, stains, or damaged equipment. Confirm the receiving tank has enough capacity. Our limit is never above 37 feet, 6 inches. Next, open the overhead valve to the correct tank. Counterclockwise means open, and make sure all other tanks remain closed. At the pump skid, confirm that both the suction and discharge valves are open and lined up to the correct tank. Crack open dome lid on rail car if it's not already open. Inspect unloading hoses and gaskets, then connect them securely to the car's outlet and the terminal header. If heating is required, connect the steam lines to the coil. When heating the bottom outlet, always stand on the opposite side of the chain so it cannot swing toward you. Slowly introduce steam until clean steam vents from the return line. Maintain controlled heating at all times. Observe pressure and temperature regularly. Once the product reaches 280 degrees, it's ready to pump. Record your start time and start the pump. Cut the car's seal, remove the locking pins and handle. Check for suction using bleeder valve, and carefully open the outlet valve. The unloading process must be attended at all times. Monitor suction pressure. Listen for abnormal noises, and check hose connections for leaks. Once product flow is steady and the car level is dropping, safely depressurize and disconnect the steam fittings. Always remember that metal surfaces and fittings will still be extremely hot. It typically takes about an hour to unload a car. As transfer nears completion, run the hoses to clear any remaining product into the tank. Verify the car is empty, then shut down the pump and close all valves. Disconnect the hoses, cap the rail car and terminal headers, and remove drip pans. Secure dome lid. Careful not to over-tighten and strip the bolts. Finally, record the end time and final tank gauge and close tank valve. Finish with housekeeping. Stow hoses, collect tools, manage containment properly, and leave the work area clean. This completes the safe offloading of a rail tank car into the terminal.